Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony Wall Street Trader. It's 10:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. Happy Friday for all of you hard workers. It's August 27, 2021. Okay, let's just make sure we all get the joke. This video is not financial advice. It's educational only. Click the subscribe and the bell. Folks, storage is like kind of a new video series here. I suggest we click the thumbs up. I don't see many videos talking about storage. I think we need to get our voices heard on the greatness of storage. So click the like, please. Intraday Updates, twitter.com, link in the description below if you want to see those intraday updates. Let's move into my latest acquisition of storage. So I bought more. I bought some last night. I tweeted it out, $1.36, 20 more percent. So average cost basis currently for the 40% I'm in is around $1.26. Now, a couple of things I did slightly wrong and a little off my normal game. Namely, particularly around the storage, Bitcoin pair was below the 3,000 range when I wound up pulling the trigger. But sometimes you just I'm so light in a position with storage at this point. I had to kind of get a little more skin in the game. Long term, this thing's it's a no-brainer. Now, looking at storage right now, still on that beautiful trend line, that pretty little trend line. And man, we are still over that trend line. Again, yesterday I had a video. We broke out to $1.68, $1.69, pulled back to this trend line, and started to go up again. So I bought around $1.36 last night. Not one bit worried about that. Couple of things we want to look at. We're still out of this. We still broke this long-term resistance line, which is good. So we're sitting on that support line. Fantastic. Now, in the storage Bitcoin pair, yesterday we had popped up. We talked about it on yesterday's video. We came, but then I kind of mentioned I would pull the trigger if we spent more time above it. I kind of pulled it a little too soon because we were going below 3,000. I really wanted to stay over it. And if we drill into the view here, we were over it, and then we kind of completely went down back into this triangle pattern. So, we're back into thinking that something big is going to happen again. So that point in time, will happen between today and September 7th. So it's like a week and a half from now, maybe 2 weeks. So just keep your eye on this. I think we got to, let's see where this thing goes. It's clear that when it breaks this line, it breaks it kind of hard, but it pulled back pretty hard too. So kind of wants to stay in here until something else happens. I don't know what that is. It just could be exuberance in the market or that people are aware more of storage. I think it's hard to tell day by day. That's why I don't invest and trade this stuff daily. It's no, you're not going to win. Trust me on that. Bitcoin US dollar is looking really good. We're still in that trend. Yesterday, I thought we had a triangle pattern. I was expecting a pump back up to 49 and change. Didn't quite get there. Taking a deeper look into this. There's that green line, that zip line. But, we have a pretty fair rally. We were down yesterday, down in the 46 range. Down in the low end at 46. I had a feeling that this here was a triangle, and I tweeted it out. Unfortunately, it didn't go the way I wanted it to. However, that being said, normally reversal diamond patterns look like this. It's still above where we were on the exit. So, I wasn't entirely wrong here. We're still up to 48.2. I was just hoping for a much more meaningful hike straight up. Normally, when you come into a diamond and you're going to reverse, you normally bounce right up again to where you started coming into it. So, let's see how the day plays out. But right now, Bitcoin dominance. Now, let's take a look at this. This is crazy. Let me just get rid of some of these lines here because I was drawing them out earlier before this video started, just checking into some stuff. Zooming out here. We definitely have, we hit that line and now we're back down, which is great for altcoin. I see a lot of the altcoins that I cover, particularly mostly Web 3.0 related cryptos. They're all still holding their own. They're doing pretty well, right? Relatively speaking. Look, storage is at $1.40. I bought it at $1.36. you know, I'm up a few percent. Nothing fantastic yet. Again, long game, long game. Anyway, that's all I have. Just want to let everyone know. Pulled the trigger, a little bit more invested into storage, and hope you guys are taking a look at this. Share the video. Definitely get your friends excited about this platform. I think it's fantastic. Anyway, take it easy.